How to use Seed Dream 4.0 for free. Step 1. Check the official Seed Dream sign up page or the developer's contribution channel. If Seed Dream 4.0 is invite or beta based, join the waitlist and then verify your email. Step 2. Look for free trial credits. New accounts often get trial generations or time limited access for free trial, and use those initial credits to test prompts and your settings. Step 3. If there is no direct free tier, you can search for community instances or Hugging Face or public demo pages that offer Seedream 4.0 access. These community demos often let you run limited free generations, like this site, OpenArt AI. You can choose the model or character of Seedream 4.0 to generate the images that you like. Step 5. Try running the model locally if the weights are available and you have hardware. Some models have community ports that let you run limited versions without cloud fees. This requires basic Python and GPU setup. Step 6. Join communities and discords for shared freebies, demo codes, or prompt packs. Generative AI communities often share free run opportunities and creative prompt templates. You should try this one because it has Seedream 4.0. You can go for OpenArt.ai and switch for Seedream 4.0. That's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.